As you prepare to publish your site, do one more check to make sure everything is ready for visitors and search engines. First, be sure you've set a site title and added a logo if you'd like one. Next, you'll want to finalize your pages. Set a home page, ensuring the style and text reflect your brand. Make sure your site navigation menu is arranged how you want it. Read through the text on every page at least once, checking for typos, broken links, and placeholder text. Check the URL slugs for each page and edit the slug to match the pages. If your site uses Fluid Engine, check the mobile layout to make sure things are arranged how you like. Next, take a look at your images. Make sure all pages have featured images and that any images that include clickable links lead to the right place. Check domains and integrations. Make sure your site's linked to a custom domain of your choosing and that any third-party integrations are working properly. Send test submissions to every form on your site. If you've got a store on your site, make sure you've added a payment processor, set any required tax rules, and added at least one shipping option if you sell physical products. Finally, make sure there aren't any page passwords or under construction pages that will get in the way of where you want visitors to go. You may also need to invite or remove site contributors or change access. Let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.